Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are attending this session. This is one of the video in from our GenAI application development with AWS, and we have multiple video on this uh, segment, and you can specifically, if you are interested in an area, you can look at the list and attend those sessions. So in this particular session, we'll be focusing on building an intelligent video and audio Q&A with LLM with AWS AI services. So here the key component is actually LangChain agent, intelligent agent for workflow, and also we have the audio and video content by leveraging Amazon's Transcribe to extract transcription file from the media stored in Amazon S3 by deploying a foundation model using Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. We can build a robust chatbot that can answer questions based on the content of the videos and audio file. This innovation solution demonstrates the potential of combining these technologies to create an intelligent and interactive application that can provide valuable insight from multimedia content to their customers. Okay, so this particular we will be focusing on extracting the audio and video transcription, which is in the medias are stored in the S3 bucket. So the Amazon S3 store the video and audio files, and Amazon Transcribe extract transcription files from media, and Amazon SageMaker Gemstart deploy foundation model for processing the transcription, and the LangChain orchestrate the workflow and interact with the foundation model. And a GPT J6B embedding model create the embedding for the transcriptions. And Fias in-memory vector store stores and searches the embedding. Falcon 7B instruct model generate response for to user query. Jupyter Notebook used to development and experimentation, and the chatbot, the user interfacing with interacting with the system with the streamline. So this particular slide, we have the solution component architecture. So what we'll be going the way we're going to cover this is we'll focus. Each of the slide is focused on one specific aspect of the solution. So we'll be go detail in that, and then we'll summarize at the end for the overall solution. So with that, we'll be. This one is actually how we are using leveraging the tribal augmented generation RAG in this solution. So uh, this retrieval augment solution play a crucial role in improving the chatbot performance. By leveraging RAG, the chatbot can retrieve relevant information from a knowledge base, enhancing its ability to provide accurate and informative response to the user queries. This demonstrates the power of RAG in augmenting the capabilities of LLM and creating more effective and intelligent chatbot. So the key focus component here is the framework for the information knowledge base, and the knowledge base, the repository of transcription and embedding, and the chatbot, the application that increase interface with the user and provide responses. In this case, it's a Streamlit application, and the solution highlight the innovative use of RAG in creating a powerful Q&A chatbot. By incorporating RAG, our organization can enhance the chatbot ability to understand and respond user queries, providing a valuable tool for information retrieval and analysis, especially with the enterprise. There's a lot of special data the specific enterprise. RAG will improve their uh, answer correctness as well as minimize the hallucination. Okay, so this slide we're focusing on leveraging Amazon Lambda for event-driven processing. So Lambda is one of the key functions crucial in the automating the transcription process. By configuring Lambda function to be triggered when new objects are added to the media S3 bucket, the solution ensures that the transcription jobs are automatically initiated for any new video or audio files. The event driven approach eliminates the need for manual intervention and ensure that the transcription process is efficient and timely. So let's look at the key component and in their role with for this specific aspect. For AWS Lambda, the serverless function that trigger the transcriber job. Amazon S3, the storage bucket for the media file. The transcription job, the process of extracting transcription from the media file using the Amazon Transcribe. The solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize Amazon Lambda, automate the transition process, improving the efficiency and scalability of the overall solution. By leveraging Lambda, organization can ensure that new media files are processed promptly, enabling a timely analysis and insight with the minimum time and also with a serverless approach with minimum cost. So here we are focusing on the Amazon transcriber for audio transcription. So Amazon Transcribe, so the service used to transcribe audio content. So this is the media is stored in the S3 bucket, the storage location of audio file. Transcription S3 bucket, the storage location for the transcribed. The solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize Amazon Transcribe to extract valuable insight from audio content. By leveraging Transcribe, the organization can unlock the potential of audio data and gain a deeper understanding of the information contained within it to leverage for the chat. Here, in this we are focusing the processing a transcribed file with Amazon SageMaker Studio and Jupyter Note for development. In the solution, Amazon SageMaker Studio and Jupyter Notebook play one crucial role in processing the transcribed files and creating a knowledge base for the Q&A chatbot. SageMaker Studio provide a comprehensive development environment, while Jupyter Notebook offer a flexible and interactive interface for data analysis and experimentation. By leveraging these tools, developer can effectively process the transcription, extract relevant information, and build a robust knowledge base that enable the chatbot to provide accurate and informative response. So the relevant component here are Amazon SageMaker Studio, a web-based IDE for machine learning development, Jupyter Notebook, an interactive environment for data analysis and exploration, transcribed file, the text extracted from the video and audio media, knowledge base, the repository of information used by the chatbot. This solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize SageMaker, Studio, and Jupyter Notebook to process transcribed files and create a knowledge base for Q&A chatbot. By leveraging this tool, organization can enhance the capabilities of their chatbot and provide users with a more accurate and informative response. So in this slide, we'll be focusing how to creating the embedding with the GPT-J6P. The solution, the GPT-J6P embedding model plays a crucial role in creating vector representations of the transcribed text. This embedding captures the semantic meaning and relationship between the word in the text, enabling the chatbot to effectively understand and process the information. The embedding are then stored in the phases in memory vector store, which allow the efficient retrieval and comparison. So let's look at how storing this embedding in the FASIS. So in this solution, the FASIS in-memory vector store play a crucial role in efficiently storing and searching the embedding created by the GPT-J6P model. FASIS is a powerful library that enables semantic similarity search for the vector space for the next text embedding, allowing the chatbot to effectively retrieve relevant information based on the user's query. By leveraging FASIS, the solution ensures that the chatbot can provide accurate and informative response. So the key component for specific to these interaction is FASIS in-memory vector store, the storage of the embeddings, the GPT-J6P embedding model, the model used to create the text embedding, and the long chain, the framework that utilizes FASIS for semantic similarity search. This solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize the FASIS is to store and search embeddings, enhancing the capability of the chatbot and enabling it to provide a more accurate and relevant response. Here, the focus is performing the semantic similarity search with FASIS. In the fastest in-memory vector store, the component, the storage for the embeddings, the semantic similarity search, the process of finding documents that are similar to the user's query, knowledge base, the repository of transcribed text and embedding. The solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize FASIS for semantic similarity search, improving the chatbot ability to retrieve relevant information and provide accurate response by leveraging FASIS. Organization can enhance the overall performance and effectiveness of their chatbot application. Yeah, so let's look at the details of leveraging the Falcon 7B instruct model for response generation. In this solution, the Falcon 7B instruct model have a crucial role by leveraging the retrieved document and the context provided by the user's query. The model can generate informative and relevant answer. The Falcon 7B instruct model is ability to process and understand natural language enable it to provide a human-like response that effectively address the user's need. The key component which are interfacing with the Falcon 7B instruct model, the LLM used to generate the response. The document retrieved from the knowledge base, the user query, the question posed by the user using the front end. The solution demonstrates how to effectively utilize the large language model to generate informative and relevant response to user query. By leveraging capabilities of the Falcon 7 instruct model, the chatbot can provide valuable insights and assistance to the users based on, especially with the RAG data from enterprise. So here we are just focusing on the creating the prompt for the LLM. The prompt here, the user uh, a comprehensive prompt is constructed to give the LLM and generate in a response. The prompt include the initial question posed by the user and the relevant document retired from the knowledge base. By providing this context, the LLM can generate a more accurate and informative response that is tailored to the user's query and the specific content of the media files. So the key component interacting with these are prompt, the input provided to the LLM including the initial question and the relevant document. Falcon 7B instruct model, the LLM used to generate the response, retrieve the document retrieved from the knowledge base based on the user's query. The solution demonstrated how to effectively construct a prompt that provide LLM with the necessary context to generate an accurate and informative response. By carefully crafting the prompt, organization can enhance the chatbot ability to understand and respond to the user, involve the overall user experience with the increased accuracy and effectiveness. Here we're focusing on building a streamlined chatbot interface for the end user. Uh, s- so this in this solution, is Streamlit application. It's a front-end application for creating a user-friendly interface for interacting with the Q&A chatbot. This allows user to easily ask questions and receive responses based on the content of the video and audio file. By leveraging Streamlit, organization can create a visually appealing and intuitive interface that enhance the user experience and make it easier for user to benefit from the chatbot capabilities. So key component for this user interaction is Streamlit web application, the user interface for the interacting with the chatbot interface, the component that allow user to input question and receive responses, the RAG mechanics, the underlying process of retrieving the relevant information and generating responses. The solution demonstrate how to effectively utilize Streamlit to create a visual, appealing, and user-friendly chatbot interface. By combining Streamlit within the powerful capabilities of the RAG framework, organization can provide user with a valuable and engaging tool for interacting with this Q&A chatbot. So let's go over again what we learned so far. We'll go through all the components of the solution, what we learned in this, all the specific component. In this solution, we showcase the powerful capabilities of Amazon services and LangChain in creating an intelligent queue and a chatbot that can effectively process and understand video and audio content. By leveraging Amazon Transcribe, to extract transcription files from the media stored in an Amazon S3, and while deploying foundation model using Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart, we build a robust chatbot that can answer questions based on the content of the videos and audio file. This innovation solution demonstrates the potential of combining these technologies to create an intelligent and interactive application that can provide a valuable insight from the multimedia content. So the key component we use in the solution: Amazon S3 store the video and audio files, Amazon Transcribe extract file transcription files from the media, Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart deploy foundation model for processing the transcription, LangChain orchestrate the workflow and interact with the foundation model. GPT-J6B embedding model create embedding for the transcription. Files in-memory vector store, the stores and searches the embeddings, and Falcon 7B instruct model generate response to user queries. Jupyter Notebook used to for development and experimentation. Chatbot, the user interface for interacting with the system. The solution demonstrate how to effectively utilize AWS services to create an intelligent queue and a chatbot that can provide valuable insight from video and audio content by leveraging various AWS technologies, services like Amazon Lambda, API Gateway, etc. So, um, in summary, hope you got your Gen AI development knowledge added value from this presentation to enhance your building an advanced AI application